everyone. Today we're making Kadurei Shokolad. Kadur means ball, Shokolad means chocolate, and Kadurei Shokolad is one of the most basic, common, and delicious dishes you will find on any Israeli home menu. Children, this is perhaps one of the first recipes they learn how to make, and it's one of those treats that's brought into kindergartens and nurseries and primary schools as a treat. Today is my birthday, so I'm gonna bring Kadurei Shokolad. That's the way they work. So I'm gonna show you how to make them. What I have here is, oh my goodness, crushed 500 grams of digestive biscuits. But if you don't have digestive biscuits, any plain biscuit will do. I used a rolling pin and a bag, and we crushed away. That was really a lot of fun. It took some time, but it was a fun thing to do. So my crushed biscuits are going into my bowl, and they are waiting for the chocolate. This is pretty much what's gonna keep them, the chocolate suspended with all these biscuits. So into my small pan, I'm gonna start with a cup of sugar, 3/4 of a cup of cocoa powder, that's the Shokolad element, 1 cup of water, and a dash of vanilla. As soon as I can get it open, there we go. So dash went in there. We're gonna give this all a nice mix, and as soon as everything melts together, we'll be ready to add this straight into our biscuit mixture. So you'll see this doesn't take very long. What does take time isn't this element of it. I'm already rolling up my sleeves in anticipation. It is the rolling the chocolate balls that takes time, and it's fun. You get a bit messy. I'm not gonna lie to you. There is some mess involved, but it's a delicious mess. Oh my goodness, how delicious is this? So you could see we're almost there. Everything's kind of melting together. It's going to be fabulous. So my children, all 4 of them, went to what's called Gan, kindergarten in Israel, and honestly, a week didn't go by that one of them didn't come home with Kadurei Shokolad. And the first time they said, well, could we make this at home? I attempted it unsuccessfully. It was not good. I didn't have the right proportion of fat to chocolate to biscuit, but we have a great recipe now. So everything is melted together. To this, I'm going to add 2/3 of a cup of either butter or margarine, and we're gonna let it all melt. And because the chocolate and the water and the sugar is really hot, this won't take very long. So it's all gonna melt together, and the fun will begin promptly. Once this is all melted, we're gonna add it to our crushed biscuits. So I was thinking, how would this taste if we use chocolate biscuits? Like, will that be too much chocolate? What if we used biscuits with sprinkles in them? The possibilities are huge here. It's a great snack because you can be creative with it. After you've rolled them into balls, you can maybe cover them with other really delicious ideas. So think of this as a base for really creative things to come. So we're nearly there. You could see my margarine, which is what I used, is melting, but you could definitely use butter in here instead. The butter would make it even more delicious and even richer, but we're using margarine. So because in my family, we have a separation between meat and milk, I want to make sure that we can eat these as a treat after dinner. We're nearly there. Can you see that? It's like magic. I love melting things. And as soon as all the margarine disappears, which it's happening, we will add it to our biscuits. And one more turn, we are there, and in it goes. So amazing. We're gonna get a big spoon out, big spoon on the ready, and mix it all together. So the reason we needed so many digestives, 500 grams, which is, by the way, 2.5 packets, is because that's a lot of chocolate we're working with. So as you could see, it's all there. It's coming together. We're gonna let it cool down. This is really hot. And once it's cooled down, we're gonna start rolling it into balls. We're gonna make them beautiful. I can't wait. My Kadurei Shokolad mix has been in the fridge for half an hour. You could see it's gotten solid. And I'm using gloves, you don't have to make my chocolate balls. They're like a chocolate truffle, but a little bit sweeter because of the biscuits. And then this is totally optional. I like rolling mine in chocolate sprinkles, but you don't have to. And there is my first chocolate ball ready to go. And here, we'll do another one. And these then have to go into the fridge for about 2 hours until they get nice and like they set up. And you are ready with your Kadurei Shokolad. How great is that for your next birthday treat? I'm so excited about this. So try this at home. All you need is some digestive biscuits, chocolate, sugar, margarine or butter, and you're ready to go. These are awesome. So amazing that we get to celebrate Israel in this super sweet, super delicious way, and see y'all soon.